Environment. Where do you want your business stuff to be? It's not just about like your office. Like, how do you want your business to be? How do you want your environment to be? Are you a mechanic and you like it, you know, with papers everywhere and there's grease everywhere because you like to be in the cars and stuff? Is that the kind of style of business that you want? Or is the environment like super clean and in an office with a window? Or is it like in a darker office where there's no distractions and there's just blank walls everywhere so you can focus? What is that environment that your business can thrive in? And that's you thrive in and your business thrive in. So like, who are your competitors? And who are you selling to? Those are some of the things to think about whenever you're writing this. All right, now this is the actual instructions. Take your time with this. This is not, once again, it's not for anybody else. There's no rush. Even if you were to do this a year from now, if you were to do it later, if you do one module and then you take another class a month or a week later, doesn't matter. This is for you. Take your time with it.